Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. And this is Freemasons of the Church from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Freemasons of the Church. An architectural college was organized in London in the year 1842 under the name of Freemasons of the Church for the recovery, maintenance, and furtherance of the true principles and practice of architecture. The founders of the association announced their objects to be the rediscovery of the ancient principles of architecture, the sanction of good principles of building, and the condemnation of bad ones, the exercise of scientific and experienced judgment in the choice and use of the proper materials, the infusion, maintenance, and advancement of science throughout architecture, and eventually, by developing the powers of the college upon a just and beneficial footing, to reform the whole practice of architecture, to rise it from its present vituperated condition, and to bring around it the same unquestioned honor which is at present enjoyed by almost every other profession. One of their members has said that the title assumed was not intended to express any conformity with the general body of Freemasons, but rather as indicative of the profound views of the college, namely, the recovery, maintenance, and furtherance of the free principles and practice of architecture, and that, in addition, they made it an object of their exertions to preserve or effect the restoration of architectural remains of antiquity, threatened unnecessarily with demolition or endangered by decay. But it is evident, from the close connection of modern Freemasonry with the building guilds of the Middle Ages, that any investigation into the condition of medieval architecture must throw light on Masonic history. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.